हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू द शोशा पॉडकास्ट। माय नेम इज श्वेता रश्मि, मेरे साथ है अभिजीत भट्ट और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट फैमिली मैन सीजन 2। तो फैमिली मैन को रिलीज हुए कुछ 2-3 दिन हो चुके हैं एंड द रीजन व्हाई वी थॉट कि ये रिव्यू हम अब करेंगे इज बिकॉज हमें बहुत से ऐसी चीजों के बारे में बात करनी थी जो कि हम आइडियली उस वक्त नहीं कर पाते क्योंकि शो जस्ट रिलीज हुआ था। पर क्योंकि अब कुछ दिन हो गए हैं, लोगों ने देख लिया है, बहुत सी ऐसी चीजें ऑनलाइन अब सर्फेस हो रही हैं, थ्योरीज एंड देयर फेवरेट सीन्स एंड लॉट ऑफ स्टफ। सो वील ट्राई टू टॉक अबाउट ऑल ऑफ देम। And just in case if you still haven't seen Family Man season 2, then I would recommend कि आप एक बार शो खत्म कर ले और उसके बाद वापस ये वीडियो देखें because this one's going to be like full of spoilers. So yes, let's start. Abhijit, what did you think of the second season? Did you like it? Did you not like it? What do you think?
यार श्वेता, मतलब पहली बार ही हुआ होगा, मतलब विद दिस सीजन की पहली बार हुआ ऐसा कि मैंने रियलाइज दैट कोई इंडियन वेब सीरीज का सीजन 2 भी अच्छा निकला है। अभी तक मेरे साथ एटलीस्ट इन माय केस क्या हुआ था कि मिर्जापुर 2 आई वाज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड बाय इट, विद सीक्रेट गेम्स 2 आई वाज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड बाय इट, बट विद फैमिली मैन I mean the second season is so much better than the first season. I am so surprised, I am so happy, and I'm so excited to talk about this wonderful show that I binge watched.
Shri, कहाँ हो तुम? Why aren't you answering my phone?
I'm angry with you, Papa. You really forgotten us.
I think even I had the best weekend because I didn't. पहले मैंने सोचा कि मैं इसको आराम से देखूंगी, but then there was so much happening online कि I was like I better watch it fast because I will not understand anything that's happening. So उस pressure में आकर के मैंने पूरे weekend I had a really good weekend watching this, and like you said, one of the best things about the show is कि second season first season से अच्छा हुआ, which is a very rare thing, and it's not just for you but for everybody जो कि वेब सीरीज देखते हैं. We really expected a lot out of these shows also that you mentioned, but sadly उस level पे नहीं पहुंच पाया. But Family Man 2 has just taken things on another level for sure. If we just talk about a couple of things that we liked about it, one thing which I would just want to mention is how there are a lot of subplots. बहुत सी चीजें हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ श्रीकांत की ही स्टोरी है, मतलब इट इज हिज स्टोरी बट इट्स आल्सो अबाउट हाउ थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग इन हिज वाइफ्स लाइफ, और लाइक थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग इन हिज डॉटर्स लाइफ, और उसके कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ कैसे चल रही है. उसके अलावा जो जेके है वहां पे क्या हो रहा है, जो श्रीलंकन तमिल्स का पूरा एक एंगल है वहां पे क्या हो रहा है, समांथा के पूरे एंगल में. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स दे वर शोन वेरी नाइसली एंड they had a good weightage also. It's not like ki aise sidey type ke inke subplots hai. They were also given a lot of importance, so that is one thing which I really enjoyed. What about you?
Yes, like you said, so personally for me the show truly, like I'm not saying that show was boring before that, but the show truly picks up from episode 4. तो क्या होता है कि चौथे एपिसोड still the fourth episode they are building up the subplots, like you said, because there are a lot of subplots इसमें. तो शुरू में हो सकता है कि व्यूअर्स को लगे कि अच्छा क्या चल रहा है, मतलब कितनी सारी स्टोरीज पैरेलली चल रही हैं, पर ट्रस्ट मी, इफ यू कैन बेयर इट टिल द एपिसोड 4, द पे ऑफ विल बी रियली नाइस, बिकॉज वो सारे सबप्लॉट्स जो है वो समहाउ मर्ज हो जाते हैं एंड दे ऑल बिकम वन. So yes, like you said, Samantha का एक subplot है, then the so-called the fighters का वो एक अलग subplot है, then task team का एक अलग subplots चल रहे हैं, then सुची की लाइफ में कुछ चल रहा है, then धृति की लाइफ में कुछ चल रहा है, then अथर्व का भी कुछ hypnosis को लेकर कुछ fascination आ गया इस शो में. So lot of stuff, like lots of stuff going on. And yes, if you stay on till episode 4, then भाई साहब उसके बाद तो ये ऐसे टेक ऑफ करता है पूरा.
बताना क्या हो रहा है उधर.
तेरे को ना फोमो हो गया है.
मैं जहाँ हूँ एकदम खुश हूँ. फोमो, लोलो, रोफ्लो.
I think another reason for that is कि क्योंकि ये शो रिलीज हुआ था 2019 में और अब 2021 है. इस टाइम में स्पेशली बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉकडाउन हमने बहुत सारे शोज देखे हैं. I mean, at least I can speak for you and me. ठीक है, we have seen a lot of shows. तो ऐसा मेरे साथ ये होता है कि I forget about something that I've seen unless and until I revisit it. फैमिली मैन 2019 में देखा था, तो अब तक मैं भूल गई थी कि क्या कुछ लाइक द निटिग्रिटीज ऑफ इट. आई ऑफ कोर्स रिमेंबर द लार्जर पिक्चर, बट क्या चीजें हैं कि क्या मतलब लाइक द टाइनी थिंग्स आई डिड फॉरगेट. तो वही मुझे भी थोड़ा सा टाइम लगा इनिशियली टू रिकलेक्ट एंड टू रिकनेक्ट कि क्या कुछ हुआ था, वेयर डिड वी लीव एंड वेयर आर वी पिकिंग इट फ्रॉम. But I think उसके बाद it was a smooth ride and it only got better. I think one of my favorite scenes was the climax. Oh my God. I had my heart in my mouth literally the entire time. It was amazing. What do you think about that?
You know, the climax was amazing, but I'll tell you what my favorite scene was, and it's so weird. I don't think anybody मतलब किसी ने नोटिस भी नहीं होगा शायद ये, पर क्योंकि ये स्पॉइलर वाला है तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ खुल के. But this scene where Samantha holds JK, like she has like उसको थोड़ा सा hostage type का situation में hold कर लिया Samantha ने, and then she pushes JK, and the way JK falls, यार वो पता नहीं वो फॉल उसकी इतनी रियलिस्टिक मुझे क्यों लगी, बिकॉज जेके जस्ट इफ यू गाइस सी दैट एपिसोड, जेके जस्ट फॉल्स इन अ वेरी वियर्ड वे, लाइक वो पूरा कैमरा उसको ट्रैक करता है उसके फॉल को, एंड ही जस्ट स्टम्बल्स एंड ही फॉल्स फ्लैट सीमेंट कंक्रीट के ऊपर आकर के. तो पता नहीं क्यों मुझे वाला सीन बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगा. Then the climax was amazing. Then, but more than the climax, मुझे वो पुलिस स्टेशन वाला शूट आउट बहुत अच्छा लगा. जहाँ पे they have taken Samantha as they captured Samantha, and उसके Samantha की जो teammates है, so-called teammates and his helpers, they come to rescue her. And तो वो वाला मुझे, I think वो climax से मुझे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा वो वाला segment लगा पूरा.
पता करो इन लोगों का प्लान क्या है.
நான் எல்லாரையும் சாக்கொள்ளுவேன். I think सारे action sequences they are just so well done. I remember season 1 में एक hospital का एक action scene था जहाँ पे I don't know if his name was Musa or something, that guy who was in the hospital. वहाँ पे capture किया हुआ था, and वहाँ पे जो पूरा scene था, that was amazing, and I really liked that scene. Usually I don't like action scenes at all, but it was just very grasping, you know, the entire time. Also, I really liked how they explored this very, so जो दो आदमियों की friendship होती है, they don't really express a lot. I mean, you being a guy would understand and you would relate to it. Like your friendship with any other guy, you wouldn't really explicitly go out and say that, you know, you know, you're important to me or whatever. In the last episode, they show JK and Shrikant when JK is in the hospital. That's such a nice scene. I mean, even though they're having, you know, they're doing their fun and everything, but फिर भी, like the way they're talking and just, I think that scene it just made me really emotional. Also, another scene where Shrikant breaks down after Milan's death and he calls, oh my God, goosebumps. These two scenes especially, I think they were really, really amazingly done. What do you think?
They were really nice. And I'm surprised that Sunny Hinduja, right? Milan, the guy who plays Milan, Sunny Hinduja, the actor, वो famous हो गया Aspirants करने के बाद, even though he was also in Family Man season 1, but he got super famous after Aspirants, and now he's back in Family Man 2. But खैर पूरे सीजन तक नहीं रहते हैं वो, अफसोस. पर जितनी भी देर के लिए रहते हैं, he's done a fabulous job. But yeah, talking about association, more than the friendship, I mean, this show does a very brilliant job of showing how people can have differences, they can fight, but at the end of the day, they're all working for the same goal. For example, Sambit और कुलकर्णी, you know, जो इतने senior level पे हैं, उनके tips दिखाए गए हैं बीच में. कुलकर्णी accuses Sambit of, you know, trying कि तुम defense minister बनना चाहते हो. कुलकर्णी, then Sambit is like कि नहीं, तुम अपना काम ठीक से नहीं कर रहे हो. And even Muthu and JK initially, they have a very rough start, but then they do become kind of friends towards the end. So I really liked how this show just, at the end, everybody becomes friends. At the end, everybody's like, you know what, we are all working for the same goal, so let's just be buddies. And this show does a really nice job of portraying human relations. मतलब वो बहुत अच्छे से निकाल के लाता है. So I really like that. Like,
किस रहा है रोज तू, फल मिलेगा कब.
Hello sir, Umayal here, local police, Chennai.
Just call me JK.
Okay, JK sir.
Just JK. चले? JK.
How you spoke about JK and Muthu just reminded me of how brilliantly they've also shown the North versus South ka divide.
Exactly. Yes.
And you know how, like, obviously for North Indians, when they go there, everything just is like, you know, I really like South Indian food, and then he's like,
yeah, there are 5 states in South India.
Tell me what's going on, Pa. You guys are not even talking to each other.
कभी-कभी तो मुझे लगता है ना कि मैं मुंह खोलता हूँ और झगड़ा शुरू हो जाता है.
Another thing which I really liked was initially जब दिखाते हैं कि श्रीकांत एक corporate sector में adjust होने, his scenes with his boss, And what he
Yeah,
did
yeah,
to his
exactly.
boss. Oh my
Don't be a
God.
minimum guy.
Oh my, listen, that guy was really annoying. Okay, that guy was really
Yeah,
annoying.
yeah.
And what Shrikant did, I was like, oh, thank God, I feel so much better.
I cannot tolerate. बस बहुत हो गया तेरा, यहाँ के दिमाग की तही करता रहता है. Nobody.
बहुत से ऐसे अभी भी चीजें हैं which we're still not sure about, which we still don't know, क्योंकि second season भी जब over हुआ, we still are left with a lot of questions. For example, the biggest question that has been there was about Shuchi and Arvind, कि what happened in season 1, कि लोनावला में क्या होता है, और हमें लगता है कि चलो, you know, we will get through it and we'll finally find out in second season. अभी भी नहीं पता चला, because it just ends at a very nice frame where these two people are just talking about it and she breaks down and she is just about to tell, but of course it just dips to black and we never really find out, so we have to wait again for season 3. Special mention to the entire Chellam sir का track also, because कहाँ से आए, क्या करते हैं, amazing.
इस शो का, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा, इस शो का मेरे ख्याल से 70% बजट फोन्स खरीदने में गया होगा, because everybody is using so many phones in this entire show. It is insane. Everybody has like, I don't know, 20-30 phones at their disposal. They are always एक पे हेलो बोल के वो फेंक के फिर दूसरे पे बाकी बात कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. So I don't know. Lots of phones used.
मिशन इतनी रेडी जाने राजी.
I think we are under attack.
Yes,
but the biggest cliffhanger, and trust me, Shweta, even no matter what shows that I've seen, I have never wanted this bad. But I so want Samantha to come back for season 3. Oh my God. Can we just have like a separate podcast about Samantha ka performance? My God, what a phenomenal performance.
Amazing.
मतलब मैं ऐसा hardcore fan बन गया हूँ ना ये show देखने के बाद. मतलब that girl is insanely good. Like, she is so good.
Exactly.
I mean, people really need to take notice and be like, my God, she's actually one of the finest actresses in the country.
Also, a lot of people are saying कि क्योंकि उन्होंने climax में Samantha की body नहीं दिखाई, so maybe she's still there, which seems very unlikely. It will be, honestly, it will be like a little weird. I mean, this is not Ekta Kapoor का serial. It will like seem a little weird क्योंकि काफी obvious लग रहा था वो scene जब plane पे गोली लगी and पूरा blast हुआ और plane के अंदर Samantha थी, तो I'm pretty sure that she died there. But I don't know. Also,
I'm hoping.
Yeah.
This is one exception I'm ready to make कि मतलब मैं बिल्कुल क्वेश्चन नहीं करूंगा अगर अगले सीजन में समंथा बस आ जाती है वापस. मैं बिल्कुल नहीं पूछूंगा कि अरे कैसे वापस आ गया. I'll just continue with the show. I'll just continue watching it. That's how much I liked her performance. She is so good, man.
We have sort of seen a lot of illogical stuff recently. We are ready to buy into this one this time. Because it was genuinely really well done.
Yeah, and given the performance that she has given, man, I would never question it, dude.
So I think apart from this also about कि समीर का क्या हुआ, क्योंकि समीर पूरे टाइम लंदन में है, उनका क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है, we don't know about that. So a lot of things that we have to watch out for in season 3. पर what do you think season 3 का जो एक छोटा सा हमें glimpse दिखाया गया कि क्या होने वाला है, what do you feel about that?
मुझे strongly ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब ये जो Chinese encroachment हो रहा है अरुणाचल साइड में, I think season 3 will deal with that.
Can I count you in?
But I think that's pretty much all we had to say about the second season of Family Man season 2. हमें तो बहुत मजा आया देख करके. And I hope कि आप लोगों ने भी Family Man season 2 देख लिया है and you've really liked this video as well. अगर कोई भी और वीडियो है, कोई भी और film, show, anything that you would want us to review, please do let us know in the comments and do let us know also what you think about this video. Thank you so much for joining in and stay safe.